say ne accident sia eya na ye cruson enso abatwa na papa we pese ye to maninti osi oba obemana illegal minwan mu kadafo mumma me 2 minutes pe na me fa nkire made bi hwe okada ya ye no illegal ewo Ghana enu nti se mpo se ye papa mahama wa adwene bi se ode beye ne legal first and foremost ebeko parliament NDC ni MPP for enewo na picture say enne ya apai na nke beye den no de sa okada na ye den aba owia ye de ko Supreme Court akọ gazette na no abeye mra afi ye de beye adwuma na ye de akọ Interior Ministry urban planning ne ade road ministry for so abehwe say ye be yi okada kwan anaso okada for no omu route be yesen na yayeye sa niam ne paperwork ni na wi ansa ne aka say afa de Ghana ne konokuchi okada president bia be di ade a watumi achiche ne cabinet kura wi ntemo aye 1.5 years etu won wi a onfa sa ade we nko court MPP for ye pene NDC for ye pene ye fanko Supreme Court yen koye ni bibi anwi a yen kasa afedie okada be legal no na ne 4 years na ohwehwe no wadi awie okada wantwi okada o wadada 2020 year bio osan ko gina ho me si mi ni mo hwe kura no one thing can le no kura in like when it comes to our Muslim brothers they are cops anase gbonu we say kan efunu ya ade a omo fefunu ponto ho inti pono sabe anka meka so okay me de me hwa zongo we have been deprived masisi ya che enti South Zongo ministry na NPP for ateno me ba me ma mo budget na increase na mbom me the policy ABCD abeka mo ho na zongo afane ntoma pefra oso obebre mo mortuary ani okada Kufuado is there with Coastal Development Authority sharing cars and I say giving cars to drivers for them to pay, financing it bit by bit. Omudi ye juma mahama ekokotena sebe sunyai magazine or say ya potro car ono na penso so no yan hye sebe bongres ba kokora ewo Ghana mahama pen bongres ya yeja yede to cement so ankola yede ya hiri mahama pen so yan hye bi kora wo Ghana but also numbom na man no na ye chi on mayen de Ghana ye hye Toyota wo ho otie brochire oye adwuma ewo baby a ye hye cars eno na ama we adwuma ye did the same policy aba Ghana ema wo company bit say Toyota ewo Ghana unua bi a oko school or tech na say ya Toyota for befa over 340 with tech students. Yes, it's a fact. VW before befa bi Nissan for befa bi go to KNUST text one go and ask if say they are making say ni wa ntino say papa say we are talking about obi tumi aboa yenya. Why should we say Akufo-Addo hasn't helped us? Why did they go for this A? Almost a president and the vice and resign. I didn't hear or many more shit. Now they are and that me say Omenya lawyer Fufrobi or truthful lawyer be free US Abeka on communication team no. Now or sorry and Trump one or better sempa and na UDA or talking about America Corona edebe compare Ghana. But all can in nano, not all can say economy no say Dr. Baumia say economy no any uboto. Meboa. Inti yempan say ubia obetumi ama wenyiska. Ende Chairman Drew mini she krano ana minimum she krano minim say one more ewe adwuma kakra ebi ono de block factory wenya machine mienu bi ode ye adwuma. Ende ni amemo ayedin o nanso okwa otuminya light e di twa be 100 blocks na ochina obi befa 20 etuaneka. And then, near memoir, you Nanso Babani na sebe okoje ebusia no disi ono ne store no otumi yeden otumi ko yitre enya kakra e de to no ho dum so time no okwa adwuma na se onim de ayede sebe baba afi ne ayi no onim yi a onye den ontumi nyi fa no to nchen then The reason why I am a person can be bobo videos be wahano. People were talking about money in their pockets, and according to them, Mahama will come and put money in their pocket. Please, I want to know. Because the last time we checked with President Mahama, whether he can put money in our pockets, he stood everywhere and told us that he's not a magician to create jobs and put money in our pockets. Say the mama kwakubo nsima kwa beno. Na jegezi numa kwa beno. And this say the Mahama ba or magic here or this kabeshan crofo bottom. Is that what you people are telling me? Kwesi abua. So almost say Mahama ba skabebo mu bottom. And I make a trauma say sana yo imagine the omon forget no mundi ayi Akufo-Addo ne sa. Mutie mundi Akufo-Addo ne sa linda fosu ka ayi akese bitiawo. Adentia because onipa no mo person mo de ne ba na ye ni na ye wo Ghana e no ka kire ye say hey menya magician na me discussion bu botom nti ene de kwakuburo nsam akobin ne mo otumi discuss ba Mahama Chamus cafe wa ye magician David Copperfield nya me betua mo ko ndc fue adebonyafo abompega na ye nya me agrade ndwansi manum o he ndc fue amo ntobura agyemadwene na nyanse bia ni mutirim we embo mutiri so no mapampa so because yare na doso na doso to da otu wa na awra ho show bi osi we di president da na osi yemfa namra okotena America dia osi da bi onkas we be di president bi o obetena Ghana dia oso be state of the address on the president nya no on address Kotina America dia ko chirechire mu de onim so hodi omote brofo no mo beti utunti or they say oh the party is decide okay so is decide what are you going to do different there are any more there 4 years ne there me am ntumi fa anya hwe I didn't say this oh Ghana for I did not say this now thank you Osedei 2016 cement. Oh, Chairman Drew, you see why I needed you? You see why I needed you? Because I wanted to address this this cement thing. Nimbonga, you are a fool and a liar. Let me tell you, when you people came into power, 2008, cement was 8 cedi to 9 cedi. When you can 10 cedi. Move free sono. Na cement, Ottawa Accra, 31 cedi, 32 cedi. Oton wo nkurasi ana ye 35 cedi enti ya mass no natifrim na ka kire me dia waya no homo even though say inflation akosoro ni amabo aya de no ujina say there another cement 94 oh enti ena no pa na mo say cement erade enti say there cement ni 70 bio enya 75 bio they say cement ni 94 Chimifu ankasa. Muni